How to manage background restrictions on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Dropbox. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on those three lines and go down, click on settings. Now after you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Scroll down until you find camera uploads. Click on camera uploads option, and now on this page you will find four options. As you can see, click on the fourth one, background restrictions. Now right here you can manage your background restrictions very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.